Good afternoon, everyone. So, the next section of your entrepreneurship development unit 2 is entry barriers. So, now we are discussing about the topic name is entry barriers about the unit 2. Okay, here in that entry barriers are those forces limiting access to identify the business opportunity and capitalization on these opportunities. So these are the entry barriers. The entry barriers give the opportunity to us to develop our business and to identify our business limiting access points. So that is the entry barriers. The first one is a culture base and identify and managing the entrepreneurial development process. If you are that is the opportunity you will be get if you are making as per the cultural base of the customer. And the second one is insufficient market information and industry data. So you will get some opportunity if it is the market having insufficient data about the product or information and about the industries and data. The next one is the limited effectiveness. You have to uh, give the force or work with that limited of infrastructure base. As per the infrastructure base, you have to work with limited effectiveness. The fourth one is extents of visible and invisible obstacles to entry of specific social group, like example women into a business. So we have to see whether as per the criteria of the women's in that as per the women's requirement of product, we have to develop the hostels environments. We have to develop if we are making our organization will make a hostels if it is requirement in that our surrounding area, we will get definitely a benefit from if we are make that hostels. So like that we have to access the technology, limited access the technology, and we are giving to the customer. So these are the things are giving opportunity to develop our organization or to improve our business. So these are comes under entry barriers. We can say that the entry barriers. So environmental influences. What is environmental influences means a modern business is treated as a social and economic institution and is affected by the political, social and economic force. What is environmental influences means the changes of environmental is nothing but here we can say what are the nowadays the modern business are treated as in that social and economic institution. In that previous in olden days the modern business are not there as the business are treated as their own ideas. So these are the different changes are there that are affected by the changes are comes from the political and social economical forces, and the changes will give the environment to regulate or to improve the our entrepreneurial activities. And then it in the and then the entrepreneurial activities are broadly classified into 2 points. That is first is the political, second one is economic. In that economic means our political atmosphere of economic policy and leadership labors. So these are the two things comes under in economic. Economic is nothing but the growing of our economic wealth, and that trades, traffic, incentives, subsidies, these we have to implement, and these will give to us and our employers to develop our to employers to benefit us. Then third one is social, fourth is technology. In that technology we have to we have to take the technology as per the our consumer competition and risk level. We have to take the technology, then only we can compete the other companies with that our risk level to develop our product. and labor efficiency. We have to this fourth in that fourth, the labor efficiency is a very important one. Attitude, productivity, and profitability. The labor efficiency will be as like product attitude level of productivity and the profitability. The work will be with that efficient and good way. Opinions and motives, these things will be there in labor, then only the labor efficiency will be good for us. And the fifth is legal, and sixth is cultural rules. Rules and regulation structure. As per the rules and regulation structure, these are the points will give to us to environmental influences to change our activities, to develop our modern ideas and modern business from the old business. Here the aspiration and values. What are the aspirations comes under our us, and what are the values we are taking here. Factors of influencing entrepreneurship. Some important factors are there, that factors we are taking for to develop our entrepreneurship. Like first is socio demographic variables, second is economic variables, third is variable of system linkage, the fourth is latent characteristic, the next in these fourth things or fourth factor I wrote the important deeply in that four factors. The first one is socio demographic variables. What is socio demographic variables is nothing but educational and technical qualification. We have to see our workers are educational, or we have to see whether their technical qualification is there or not. And that the second one is economic variable. In that economic variable we have to see emigration, ancestral property. We have to see the property, emigration, ancestors, and the family background of prior income, about the our organization, and previous occupation, initially investment, what we have done in that previously, and profit utilization. We have to see the level of living, how they are living. These are the economical variables we are seeing to the entrepreneurship. Those who are the persons are there, entrepreneur, that person, the skills we are seeing here, and how they are giving the profit to an old previous company, and how how they are benefit to us. So as per this thinking we are seeing to take or not the person as per the position of entrepreneur. The third one is the variable of system linkage, how they are linking the systems with that. And the fourth is latent characters. Different characteristics are there, like contact at higher social and government level, leadership qualities. Is having any contacts between the government and higher social leadership qualities, like that the qualities are there or not in this person. And availability of a technical advice, how much the technical advice is there, mutual help risk bearing is there, political affiliation, self reliance is there or not, social partnership participation, or eagerness to evaluate, ready to evaluate a person. These are the things are comes under in entrepreneurs. So we are thinking these entrepreneurs having skills, or skills are there or not. As per there we have to take that person and give the training also, and fix 6 long and short time goals. As per the 6 or long short time goals, we have to fix that person in that our organization with that contract base. Development of women entrepreneur, and this is the last we are discuss about the men, and now we are discussing if the woman entrepreneur will be there. So as per the development women interpret what are the conditions we have to require. So women constitutes about the 50% of world population. If we are seeing the women having in the world, the 50% populations are there. Nowadays that is an increase one is there. Women have been victims of social prejudices and assumption. Women also as a work in that prejudices and assumption in that our law section in we are taking the symbol of women in traditional societies, and women had been confined to the four walls of home, children's household affairs and families ritual and customs. In that oldest days traditional societies, they are telling us the women's have to work in that home, and then the woman why should be not be goes to the outside of home, and the woman should have to work with the household works. These are the things we are thinking in that our traditional societies in our earlier past. But now our recent days we are not thinking like that. We are giving the women to survive a good way in that life section, and to walk out and to do what they are what they are want to do a work. So that we are giving the women's surety or chances to develop our goals with that means as per the psychology barriers of education we are giving to the women also. But in that urbanization social reform urbanization sector as they are not given, but nowadays we are giving to the women to develop the skills to grab the educations and to make our high level position as per the compared to the men's. In the seventh 5-year plan special chapters on women's, the topic of the seventh 5-year plans of the chapter was done by the one author about the women's development, and he is including the plan of action of the women's, how the women will be integrated our developments, and the new government policies that came out from the government. India is especially consider and focusing on the training program of women to safety or to develop or to grabbing the education in easily way. As like these the steps are increasing, and the safety and the position and the percentage, and as well as new awareness ideas of the spreading of educations. These are the things the governments are now the governments are taking the serious action about this of women. So women will after this women will take easily to women will do easily to work or studies and will get the good job also. Here we are giving the women priority. Engineering, electronic and energy, in that we are giving the priority or chances to do a work number of field unapproachable to women. The government of Kerala to provides a lots of assistance to women's entrepreneurs in Kerala through agency like KITCO, DIC. The areas are the assistance. These are the assistance organizations. They are helping to women to develop their ideas to do a work with that good environment. To develop ourselves also with that they are giving the preparation of project reports, how to prepare the projects, how to meeting the cost of machineries and building, training and hiring marginal personnel, sales tax exception for 6 years, meeting 100% cost of technical expertise. So these are the things they are giving in that training sector to the women. The factors encouraging women to become entrepreneurs areas pull factors. Women choose a profession as a challenge and adventure. We are in that organization. They are pulling up the factors. Those the factors or those aims are considering from the women, and with that professional challenge, we are just push up that women to do that your aim. If the woman if the one woman is decided to make the IAS officer, IPS officer, so that we are giving that woman to motivation and push out from the step, and give some good professional challenges also, give some good advice also, argue to do something new, and we are argue that women, if it is to do something new, sometimes the woman is saying in that olden days we have to do our silaing machine, like a tailoring, like a mehndi designing. So these not neglect these things. These are the important, these are the common things you are doing. We are giving we are saying to you to do a work or to do a aim beyond this, and to increase our level, like the you will become a police officer. You have to if you want you will become a collector. If you want, you will become a principal, a lecturer, other whatever the other things are there. Those are the things comes under in men's. You can also do a work that same. There is no difference between that work to do a work you or when. Okay, so or else you can make your business also independently. Nowadays the lots of women are making the independent business to develop ourselves. Push factors. Okay, in that push factors, taking up enterprises to get financially difficulties. Here the enterprises, how you will be get the financial supported. These are the things we are giving advice to the women in that organization. And family responsibilities, how you will be take care of this family responsibility if you are doing any work. These are the things we are discussing with that woman and giving that advice also. If the problem will come with that woman's interferes, how she will solve that problems. Being a woman, she has to fulfill the responsibility toward her family. If you are a woman, so first responsibility is to fulfill the requirements and responsibility to your family. Then after that, your remaining time you have to give the your time to society towards her or work under the constraint disperse the constitutional and legal quality. After that you have to give that your work or time to your work side. And lack of proper training, you have to take accuracy, necessary skills you have to take. You have to take the difficulties, reasons of finances, as they are dependent on men. So you have to take the finance from the dependent sides, from the men's. These are the you will face here. You will face some difficulties because of you don't have a money, so you are taking from men's sides finance. So that is a difficulty you are facing here. And how to rules and regulation and procedure, these are the difficulties you are facing here. So these are the 5 difficulties of problem. 8 difficulties are there. The 6 is interacting with government dependent persons. You have to interacting with different persons. That is a difficulties. Exploiting a middleman both in purchasing how to purchase the raw materials and sell them after the finishing of gold. These are the things you will face here, the difficulties. And after the 8th one is psychosocial barriers. Prove you have to self image, inadequate motivation, discriminating treatment, faculty socialism, cultural values, lack of courage and self confidence, lack of freedom. These are the 8 things are there. Here you the women are facing problems. So these problems the woman should have to take care as per the level and to solve slow by slow. If you are doing a if you are doing a work newly, you have to reduce these problems, and then only you will be get a good then only you will be a good position, or then a good requirement of development of yourself. So sources of innovation is the unexpected success. Sources of innovation, you have to innovate some new ideas, then it will give the unexpected success or unexpected failure. Maybe the unexpected failure will be there, or unexpected outside events. You have to take the unexpected outside events in contiguity disparity between what is out to be. So these are the congruency you have to discuss with that. Process need, you have to industries and market structure you have to need, and you have to need demographic like challenge changes in population, the population level you have to see, changes in participation you have to see, new knowledge you have to need, principle of innovation you have to need, like for does or few does and don't. These the principal innovation you have to need. Does means you have to do, don't mean you don't have to do. Proposal systematic innovative being with the analysis of opportunity. Some of the person you have giving you some proposal, so you have to do that one. Innovation is both conceptual and perceptual. The second imperative of innovation is to go out, to look, to ask and to listen. The second one is you have to listen conceptual basis about that your project, and you have to see how you will be implement that, how you will be implemented your ideas. And then third one is innovation to be effective has to simple and has to focus. Here you have to, whatever your innovation is there, that innovation ideas will be focused on simply way, and the focus should be there here. And the effective innovation and smart innovation as per the small level will be there. They are not grandiose, they try to do they are not grandiose, they are try to do one specific things. Here you are not like a good or like a special person, or like a talented person, but you are trying to do some specific things. So these are the successful innovation aims are there. Those the leaders are taken in that leadership position. So you have to take these all 5 points. So don't we will discuss here the don't, those who are steps you are not want to take, or you are not to take. Like a first is simply not to try to be a clever. You don't have to think you are a clever. Simply you have to think on the focus. I am starting here. Do not diversify innovation that the star from core or likely to become a diffuse. They remain ideas only. You don't have to diversify your innovation ideas. Finally, do not innovate for the future, innovate for the present. Those were the things you presently innovated, that you will not be considered again in that future. So these are the don'ts are there, and the conditions we will discuss in the later next section. So you have to you have to read these all things points. That is a common things about that women's. You are already know about these all things. Just read carefully about these things, and watch my video also. After the watching this my video, you have to give me the attendance on the in that Google form. Just click on the link and put your details. Okay, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.